Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Titanium. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol engine with an automatic gearbox, returning up to 43 miles per gallon and has a low insurance group of just 9. The car comes with full service history and has covered just over 28,000 miles. This particular paintwork colour is called Vision. And as we have a look inside, you see the Titanium, which is the top of the range model, comes with many features. A few worth mentioning: you've got your DAB radio there with your climate control and Bluetooth. You also have cruise control on the steering wheel with automatic headlights and wipers. Overall, it's got a nice clean interior. Opening the rear doors, you'll see the rear passengers have got a good amount of legroom there, and I see the car's still got the original Ford carpet floor mats as well. And opening the tailgate on the Fiesta, you see you've got a good sized boot there, which is nice and deep with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you've also got a spare wheel. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the multi-spoke 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.